Welcome to Bangladesh, a land where vibrant culture, ancient history, and breathtaking natural wonders intertwine. Our adventure starts in Dhaka, the pulsating capital of Bangladesh. Picture strolling through the corridors of history at the Bangladesh National Museum, meandering through the ancient Lal Bagh Fort, and soaking up the vibrant atmosphere of Shankari Bazaar. Next, imagine escaping to St. Martin Island, a tropical paradise nestled in the Bay of Bengal. Picture yourself immersing in the crystal-clear waters, relaxing on the sandy beaches, and discovering vibrant underwater ecosystems. Venture into the heart of the Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Picture navigating the dense jungle, catching a glimpse of a majestic Bengal tiger, and marveling at the incredible biodiversity of this unique ecosystem. Travel back in time as we explore the ancient ruins of Goa. Once a thriving city, Goa was abandoned centuries ago, leaving behind a legacy of majestic architecture and intriguing historical sites. Experience the tranquil beauty of Srimangal, the tea capital of Bangladesh. Imagine wandering through vast tea plantations, learning about the tea-making process from friendly farmers, and savoring the finest flavors of Bangladesh's tea heritage. Explore Chittagong, a coastal city that is a melting pot of history, culture, and natural beauty. Discover historical landmarks, trek through lush hills, and unwind on picturesque beaches. Discover the serene beauty of Rangamati, a peaceful mountain village nestled in the Chittagong hill tracts. Imagine trekking through lush forests, cruising along the scenic Kaptai Lake, and immersing yourself in the vibrant culture of indigenous communities. From the vibrant streets of Dhaka to the pristine beaches of St. Martin Island, Bangladesh offers a treasure trove of experiences for every traveler. Whether drawn to ancient history, natural wonders, or cultural immersion, Bangladesh invites everyone to explore its hidden gems and embrace its beauty.